He'll get you. Buffalo. Oh my.
That's all.
God.
That's all for the time being.
Look at you. Oh my God.
Did you?
I threw it right in his throat.
Did
That
you?
dog. Oh. I'll get you. Oh, that's a big one. Oh.
All right. One more. That's all. We got to go. We can't stay right. Yeah, that's enough.
That's it. Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna get a little bit of this on mine. There's nobody behind us, is there?
No. All right, hold on.
Jeez, I've got to go. Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Flash on the other one.
See if you.
No, this one is following it. That ostrich, if he puts his head in here,
Look at the cow.
whatever this food is, they like it. Look at him run.
All right, that's enough. You stink.
Those are the biggest old tongues I've ever seen. Is that the road? No, that's the
that's
that's a turnaround where people want to stop. Oh, they're behind a fence. No, they're not either. Yeah, they are.
well, he's not interested in coming to us.
Well, there's one on your right waiting for us. These are different little animals. Look at them. They are not getting out of the way. Look. I'll put that down for you. There's a deer. Look at that
Okay.
buffalo. I want you to get his tongue.
Here.
Wait, I want to get this on video. I want you to feed another one. I gotta get his tongue out.
He ain't gonna get his tongue out.
No, but there's something in my head. There's a zebra. Stop. I have no idea what I'm getting on film.
This is gonna be a huge.
Look
Look at the pot-bellied pig.
See him like not moving out of our way.
Well, I am.
Look how shallow the narrow. One of y'all got to move.
All right, I want you to feed that zebra.
I am, but
He'll
he's got.
come up.
I don't want to run into it. What? Okay.
Oh my gosh! Look.
This is the best $80 whatever dollars. He got it. That bully, he's bully. He was eating. He came up and rammed him with his horns. God, that was a big ass. Look at that mouth. Good shot. Now he's gonna move. He's gonna come and eat something.
Come on.
Now, he's a horse. He'll bite you too. Did he get it?
No.
That zebra got it. Look at this one. He will not leave. He's permanently affixed to my window. I gave you one.
Oops. I was trying to get it on over here. Look. Good, he got it.
Okay, move on, Lyle.
Get. Hold on.
I am. Is anybody behind us? I got to get some of these off the floor where I've dropped some. No, I'm not feeding you because I know I fed you.
Look at the baby zebra.
Whoa! He kicked the side of the door. Oh, excuse me. He kicked the crap out of this door. Move, little fella. That's it. Did you see his little face?
Yeah.
Pretty face. I'm gonna give you one. I want to take your picture. Hang on, I'm gonna take your picture.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know, but I'm gonna take the picture. I'm gonna try to do it with your mouth open. I'm not open. I'm not putting my hand in your mouth. He's not. I'm gonna have to throw it on the
You
ground.
ain't cooperating.
I don't trust him. Here.
He'll be able to be.
They don't open their mouth. See, they're
You just have to stick it in their lips.
aggressive.
Stick it in their lips.
Do one more.
Oops.
Drop another one. When we get done, we're gonna have. Oh, he won't leave the baby. Look at the pigs run.
Oh God, you gone.
Amazing.
What is this coming?
Spit on me. He's got a big head of antlers. I know.
Here.
Whoa.
Somebody scared. Oh, that other thing scared him off. Here.
You need to go back to the back of the. He's losing his feathers. He's molting or something. Those damn big old things.
Throw 'em
bottom
another
up.
All right, let's.
You're all in a wad. You gonna video that?
Well, we got to.
Or are you taking pictures?
We got it. No, I'm video. We got to get by him. I guess he may want some food.
Look at these little bitty farms. I'm looking barely squeeze by and not run off. Is he even gonna look up?
Yeah, he's looking up.
Well, he ain't trying hard enough. You gotta work for your food. Look at that.
Huh?
You give him another bite.
Here you go. He's scared of that white one.
Okay, I'm gonna give him on my side. As long as what's coming up. He's on my side now. He's so pretty. You're pretty. Getting good at hitting them almost right in front of him.
Look at that pretty one right there. Look at his antlers.
I bet you he'll stick his head up here. He's a little more bold. Look at this. Look.
Yeah.
You gotta get up here. He can't help. He could not hardly reach it. He's got a pretty. Look at that.
That beard.
Come on, little fella. We know he can't get too far in because of his. You're a
That is
sweetie.
so cool. Okay, that's enough. Yolanda.
Look at those little feet. Give him something. Did he catch it?
No, he's going after it.
Dessert wagon.
You gonna give him something?
I'm the good humor man. Come on. Come on. He says, that's I'm getting.